Hey there, good looking. This thing right here is the Anker 613. It is pricey, but it is lovable. Let's check it out. All right, let's unbox this thing. Totally unscripted. I don't even know what I'm gonna do here. Let's go. First off, looking at the box, pretty good. Like the material, it's just like a cover on the front. This is the true box, you know, right here. So I'm gonna get rid of that one. Of course, I didn't bring a knife, so give me a second. All right, got me a knife. Boom, we are in, let's go. So here's right on the top here. Looks like we have the main charger, the 613, and then we have a little accessory box right here. So let's check out, let me pull out the 613. So far, first impressions looking good here. Got a nice little silicone texture here. Looks like the rest of it is plastic. Got a suction cup at the bottom. Oh, here's the release lever. Let's see, let's check out the rotation here. Wow, that is stiff. Okay, go all the way up 90 degrees and then all the way down. It's not terrible. We'll see how it works in my car, but hey, there you go. All right, so here comes the accessory box. We got all the little accessories like the car charger, the cord, and it looks like we even have some like little cable management clips in there as well. All right, getting right in. First off, we actually have a really nice looking cable here. I would say this is probably about a 6-foot cable. So we're getting a 6-foot cable there, that's pretty cool. Let's see, we got our instructions right here, which we're just gonna put down for now. And then what else we got in here? We got this little baggie in here. This looks like the cable management little hooks that are in here. These seem like to be like a rubber type of thing, and it looks like they have some 3M mounting at the bottom. I feel like that's not gonna hold up. But anyway, suction pad of some kind. If for some reason, I guess the charger doesn't work, at least you have this. That's actually pretty smart by Anker. And what's in here? Oh, we got the car charger right in here. So I'm gonna unbox these things out of the bag and lay it right here on the table. But yeah, this is what's included in the box for the Anker 613. All right, with the unboxing finished, let's get into the review of the 613, starting off with its size. For this, I measured the size of the base or the suction cup area, then I got an approximate size of the length of the arm. So the base is coming in with a size of 2.75 inches and the arm length is approximately 4.5 inches. So the 631 is part of Anker's MagGo line of products, which means that this car charger has MagSafe compatibility. This makes the simplicity of taking your phone and just plopping it on super simple. So in the unboxing, I mentioned that the 613 is pretty much all plastic, but after checking it out, they don't use cheap plastic here. This is definitely more of a premium product and doesn't feel cheaply made. The arm is a little bit stiff when trying to move it to different angles, which could be a potential spot of failure if you're consistently moving it. Looking at the base of the 613 is the USB-C input for power. So using your included 5-foot cable, go ahead and plug that in, plug it into the USB-C port on the car charger, and now you're supplying power to the 613. Now, unfortunately, this is only using Qi wireless charging, so you're only getting 7.5 watts of power, so don't expect any miracles of fast charging with this guy. If you are consistently removing and placing your phone, don't expect to get a lot of power here. I was able to do DoorDash for a little while, and the fact that me taking my phone on and off, on and off, on and off, it just did not survive the day. So if you're doing something like that, where you're gonna be consistently removing your phone, this is gonna be a downside. Now, checking out the car charger here actually has a spare USB-C port, and that port provides 20 watts of power for charging any device you have. So this is huge if you have someone in your passenger seat that needs power, or if you just have other devices that need some juice. I was able to use the included cable management clips that come with the 613 to wrap my cable cleanly in my car, but after a week of using it, the 3M adhesive just kind of gave up. So unfortunately, you may have this same problem. Something else I love about the 613 is the extra adhesive puck that you can apply to literally any surface and get a clean surface for the suction cup to attach to. So if your car has a very rough surface, this is gonna benefit you greatly. Now for me in my car, I don't actually have any rough surfaces, so this is actually something I didn't need to use, but I'm so glad that they include it in the box. Now to my heavy iPhone users out there, I want you to be careful here. I do believe that the magnets will have a strong enough capability of holding your 14 Pro Max, but I want to just give you a notice for the potential of it falling off. Now, I don't have a heavy phone and my wife only has an iPhone 13, so I really can't test this out, but I want you to just be aware of this potential problem. As long as you are just taking your case off and using the magnets that are built into your phone, or you have a case that has MagSafe built into it and those are really strong magnets, you should be good to go. So I love the 613, but this is the biggest problem I found with it, and it's the overheating issue. Now, it's not from charging your phone from regular use. It's actually the fact that when the sun is blaring down and your car gets 90 degrees plus, its overheating protection kicks in and prevents any charging to your phone. While I love the fact that it has this, it is so annoying because it could take sometimes what you feel like forever to get your 613 back to operating temperature to actually start charging your phone. So to my hot climate peeps out there, simply put, good luck. Now, I did say in the beginning of this video that this thing is pricey. Now, at the time of recording, the 613 costs $70. Now hold up, I've seen this thing drop down to about $60 pretty often, so if you're interested in buying it, save yourself 10 bucks and buy it when it's 60. Now some of you may be saying this is still expensive, but let's break this down a little bit. If you roughly include the pricing of the car charger and the cable that it comes with, you're roughly looking at about 15 bucks. So then you're looking at the total cost of the 613 itself, about a $45 product, which I think is a pretty good price. But that wraps up this unboxing and review of the 613. If you want to check it out for yourself, head down to the link in the video description. And while you're scrolling your way down there, why don't you leave a like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment on there, giving me any advice you may have, accessories you want me to check out, or whatever it may be. Thanks for everyone for watching, and a big thanks to my new subscribers. Y'all are awesome. Finally, dude, after 3 times of reshooting this video, I am done. I'm sick of this.